PHANT AI versus Canvas 2025. Which tool makes you money faster? Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Are you struggling to create videos and images for your business? Well, we have two powerful options, the classic Canva and the new AI-powered PHANT AI video maker. But which one is the right tool to grow your brand and your wallet? Well, breaking it down is 60 seconds. Welcome back to Twoguysfinance, where we break down the tools that actually make you money. Today we're settling the debate, the design giant Canva versus the new AI contender PHANT AI. Which one deserves your time and cash? Let's dive in. When it comes to ease of use, Canva has a drag and drop champion. Yes, it is super intuitive for everyone. Why PHANT AI? PHANT AI, on the other hand, is AI first. You just describe the vision and it builds it for you. It's as simple as that. When we look at AI power, Canva has great AI features inside a design platform. While PHANT AI just know that the whole app is AI. It's built from the ground up for AI creation. When you look at customization, Canva has unlimited control. Yes, every pixel is yours to tweak. You have unlimited control. Every pixel is yours to tweak. While that of PHANT AI is more automated, you get great results but less manual fine-tuning. When we look at the speed for video, Canva is fast with templates, but you still do the work. While PHANT AI Video Maker is blazing fast, it generates a full video from a text prompt in minutes. When we look at who or what they are best for, Canva is best for all-rounders, social graphics, presentation, quick edits. While PHANT AI is best for video-focused professionals like YouTubers and ad creators and anyone needing volume. Think of it like this. Canva is your incredibly well-stocked workshop. You have every tool imaginable and you are the craftsman. PHANT AI, on the other hand, is your genius assistant. You give it an idea, and it hands you a near-finished product. So, for quick social posts and full branding control, Canva is still unbeatable. But if your business lives and dies by video content and you need to put a lot of it, PHANT AI's automation is a literal game changer that gives you your time back. So the winner, you might ask? Well, it depends on your business. If you're a solo entrepreneur wearing all hats, then Canva's versatility actually is your best friend. But if you're a content creator scaling fast, PHANT AI will save you so much time. It's basically a financial investment. So the bottom line is use Canva for everything around video and use PHANT AI to create video at lightning speed. So which tool are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments, and if this saved you some research time, smash the like button and subscribe for more tips to smarten up your business finances.